Hi! In this video, I'm going to discuss how to insert word art in Google Slides. So what is word art? It is a text that gives more dramatic effects than normal text box. It allows you to modify text within your flexibility. You can change the color, add text effects, rotate, change the font style, and fit it to its size. So, ang word art ay may similarity siya sa ordinary text box. So, mas napapaganda natin siya or mas namomodify natin yung style ng ating text sa paggamit ng word art. Okay, so these are the steps on how to insert a word art. Select insert. So, this one. Okay, point to the word art. Okay, so click mo yung word art, then dialog box will appear. So, ito yung box na yan. Type your text and hit the enter. So, kapag na-type mo na yan, ito na yung lalabas na text, and then mag-a-appear na siya sa iyong slide. Okay? To illustrate or demonstrate, let's go to blank slide. So, go to insert from menus, and then click natin yung word art. So, ayan, may lalabas na text. Okay, o dialog box. So, ang lalagay natin na text is, for example, word art. Okay, after that, okay, to save, click natin sa keyboard yung enter. As you can see, may panibago siyang style na lumabas. So, again, yung word art ay different siya sa ordinary text box. Kasi mas nabibigyan natin siya, mas modify natin siya or nababago natin siya into dramatic effects. Okay? Ibig sabihin, mas maganda, kung ano yung design na gusto natin. Okay? So, as you can see, kapag nag-insert tayo ng word, okay, mas malaki yung size niya. Unlike dito, okay, sa ordinary text box, ganyan lang siya. Okay. So, diba? Normal lang siya. Okay, back natin. Now, i-delete muna natin tong text box na to. Let's focus sa in-insert natin word art. So, ayan na siya. So, pwede natin mabago yung size. Gagamit ulit tayo ng formatting tools in text. So, for example, this one. Okay, so, to give more design, pwede tayong pumili or pumunta sa format options. Okay. And then, para mabago yung size. Okay. And then, pwede natin siya ma-rotate into 90 degree or flip. Okay, so since na hindi naman natin siya rotate, 0 na lang natin para back to normal. So next, we can use from center. Okay, parang walang pagbabago. So pwede mo itong i-adjust. Okay, ayan, na-adjust siya. Okay, yung X and Y. And then we can use drop shadows. Okay. Ayun na, kung mapapansin nyo, ayun yung shadows na yan. And then, next reflection, kung gusto natin. Okay. Balikan natin yung distance and yung transparency niya. Okay, so, another, to modify again, to change the color of word art, we can use format tools. Okay, so select lang natin to. Itong word art na yan, itong mismong text. And then, try natin lagyan ng color. So, for example, this one. Okay, so naiba na yung color ng ating text. So, kung gusto mong solid, ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga color niya is papantay sa mismong text. Or gradient, yung merong light to brightness or darkness to ano, sa pinaka-dark. Okay? So, ayan na. May gradient siya. Kumbaga, meron siyang halo. Okay? Hindi siya pure na buong red. Naka-gradient. May combination siya. Okay, yan. For example, this one. Okay? So, ayan yung way para ma-modify natin yung ating word art. Okay, next.